Well, hello, and welcome to Ratchet and Clank, A Cracking Time. And let's make a new one. Put it on medium. Wait, what's the other ones? Hardcore. No. Let's go medium, and yeah, that's all right. Brightness. Create new save. Yes. Ratchet and Clank is a series of games that I've always enjoyed, but I never got a PlayStation 3, so I never enjoyed or got to live the future arc. I'm also doing this. I'll be quiet for this bit.
Quite smart. He was born in a robot factory in the Solana galaxy. But to be precise, he was created much farther away. My son's name is XJ0461, but the universe knows him as Clank. My arch nemesis. Not so smart now, are you?
Sir, the Zoni are inquiring about our progress.
How much longer must we pretend to be friends with those twits? Sire does not remember. You must fix. Yes, I'm fixing.
Stand by for sister board scan.
All right, let's see. Favorite colors green, favorite numbers 83 billion and 4.7, blah, blah, blah.
Access denied. Neural safeguard activated.
No! Locked out again! It's in here, Lawrence. Somewhere in this brain lies the key to the Orbis chamber. No Orbis chamber. Your soniness. If we could take but a peek at the chamber. No Orbis chamber. Chamber is for Sire only. Very well. Then I think it's time our partnership came to an end. Say hello to...
Not the hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
the Hypersonic Brainwave Scrambler!
Cool.
Apologies, sir. I should have mentioned the equipment is especially susceptible to sonic weaponry.
Backup generator activated.
He's awake! Stop him!
Run, little Clank, run. So yeah, a game series I always enjoyed, but never played the PlayStation 3 versions of it because I never had a PlayStation 3. Whoa. Hi. And I've always loved the games. Except number one. I could just never beat it.
Where am I? What is Dr. Nefarious doing here?
I'll explain everything as soon as you're safe, sir. But right now, we need to calibrate your ocular response.
This seems like the plot section.
Scanner on your left. Good.
Alright, so I'm using the PlayStation Now network, which you will see probably a little bit of lag.
All right. Look at the scanner above you.
And I'm also using the an Xbox One controller.
Got it. You're recalibrated. Now, keep
So it's alright.
as I can.
Time systems final.
Jump is X, but on this one it's A. I can't do that yet, but we'll always be coming back to do things. Yeah. So the reason I'm jumping from the game I was playing, Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time, was And even though it's happened every single time I've recorded that game, my hard drive that had all the footage got damaged. So I lost all the ending of the game. Like, so yeah, I'm gonna have to end up going back to it someday to fix it. I've also been extremely busy with work, but this game I've been playing the last little bit. Quite enjoy it, except the last boss fight, which just seems to take forever. And I don't know what happened to Tools of Destruction. I don't know what happened with that game because the PlayStation Now network doesn't have it, and it's kind of annoying that they don't have the old like PlayStation 2. I grew up my teenage years with PlayStation 2. Yeah, I love the GameCube. Didn't have that many games for the GameCube, but I enjoy the system. Probably my favorite Nintendo system is the GameCube. But when it came to so I don't know what the PlayStations were all like.
I have an idea. I'm going to let the hypersonic brainwave scrambler into the room. Hurry, before the energy dissipates.
So I'm gonna just continue with a new game for this channel. Quiet on Set Gaming. But on the PlayStation Network, I'm so surprised at how many games they are missing. How many great PlayStation 2 games. They don't even have a single PlayStation 1 game on it, which bugs the piss out of me. Yeah, you should be ashamed of yourself for letting this happen. And I can also talk about how upset I am of how crap the Rhino gun is. It's so bad. I just got it. Skill point? Alright. Let's check out this. Get through the entry level in 300 seconds. Wow! I got 20. And I have no cheats. Anything like, oh, gold bolts. Cool. Oh, it is the guy. Oh, well, never mind.
Don't let them anywhere near the chamber.
And it's also different this game to other Ratchet and Clank games. Yeah, and other Ratchet and Clank games. Give this a second.
Go ahead. Jump!
Dr. Nefarious,
This takes
I
forever.
should have known you were behind this. Where have you taken me?
You don't recognize it? This is your home! The Great Clock! A marvel of science and sorcery engineered by the brightest Sony in all of existence and constructed in the exact center of the universe! Give or take 50 feet.
Give or
I
take.
am curious. What lie did you tell the Zoni in your quest for vengeance?
Vengeance? You think I went to all this trouble for mere vengeance? They say I'm egomaniacal. Let's just say it's all in the past. Lawrence!
Right here, sir.
Ready the orb of gratuitous immobilization.
Shall I prepare
Cool.
the mnemonic station again?
No, I have a better idea.
But, sir,
Patience, Lawrence. We have all the time in the universe.
But do we? I also remember not being able to say Ratchet and Clank. I remember trying to get I saw an ad for the second one and going in Extravision, anywhere in Ireland. I remember Extravision going to get Ratchet and Clank. I couldn't remember 2 was awesome. 3 was also awesome. Deadlock, it was alright. Had its moments. None to write home about. It was fine. It was fair. It was really easy to get to Rhino in that game.
If you lost your car keys in it, they would be almost impossible to find. Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus L. Quark was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombax's one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet
Look at
was
you,
alone
mate.
in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
You realize the ship has a
Sorry. I guess you could say I've been a little antsy in my pantsy at the thought of getting back into the hero business.
Like if they released
wild
these,
stallions have been in a stable
the
too
original
long.
4 games on PlayStation Network,
Right. Look,
I'd be
just
so
keep
into
your
that.
eyes
I'd be
peeled. Talon
loving
says
them
the ship's
games.
Crawling with mercenaries.
Rest easy, my friend. My vigilance is both eternal and peripheral.
Warning. Warning. Unidentified anomaly detected.
Hang on. Shifting to a basic maneuver.
Well, shit.
Oh no, we're gonna die! We're gonna die! Oh, good thing I'm wearing clean underwear.
Will you shut up? We are not gonna die! Amelia, engage gravimetric stabilizers.
Negative. Stabilizers offline. Thrusters offline. Landing flaps offline.
All right. So, we're gonna die.
I was going to do this with like a New Game Plus, but decided against it. I just want to do it fresh so I could collect everything. I wish I had all my guns fully upgraded to level 5. But, you know, swings and roundabouts. Swings and roundabouts.
No. So much for clean underwear.
Where the heck are we?
And now I finally get into the game.
A leisurely stroll through this uncharted jungle will solve the mystery.
Huh.
Marooned on a hostile alien planet, Captain Quark realized his rescue mission
Maroon.
would inevitably pit him against the most terrifying evil of all, nature itself.
There's a gold. Oh, I can't get to it. It's behind that wall of fire. See, I've only recently collected like all of them except the clank ones. So. Yeah. Yeah. And I also want to kind of get everything. So I can build up, buy the guns really quick because there's one gun. There's basically one gun that is awesome. Well, they're all awesome. Some of them are really easy to get to level 5.
Ratchet! Nature is attacking! What's that? For a sidekick. Evildoer. Okay,
What was
slight
that?
problem.
I went past it. The game made me go this way.
Just wait here. I'll find you another way across.
Oh, great. This rain is going to be murder on my spandex.
Oh, so we do have to come back for things later on. I'm hopefully going to try to get everything in my first run.
What's the plan?
Like there's
anyway?
better, you can upgrade your weapons even more to level 10 after you beat it
There are
once.
ships. You see where I'm going with this?
Hey, that's pretty smart.
Which is grand and
They're a
all.
Great sidekick. Look at this beautiful native craftsmanship. Take that, culture.
Whoa! Quark, are you seeing this?
Something is seriously wrong with this planet.
It's like time is all not working.
And stuff.
Rumble, you stupid door!
I'll find another way around. You gonna be alright with those things on the loose?
Please, I can handle a few tiny creatures. Help! Their parents are here! Keep the change, villain!
I'll even try to get. I'm gonna try to get the rhino really quick. Well, you can't get the last piece of the rhino to the last level. Oh god. Oh, there we go. That's my gun. That's the gun. That's what I want. I love these little videos.
Then try Grummelnet's new Constructo line and take charge of your arsenal. Each weapon can be modified with any Constructo approved upgrade. Rate of fire, ammo type, specialty triggers. If you can dream it, Constructo can deliver it. Now available in 3 flavors: the Constructo Bomb Glove, Constructo Pistol, and Constructo Shotgun.
Cool. Let's just get full ammo as well.
With his enemies vanquished, Captain Quark steals into the jungle, blaster at the ready, prepared to deliver swift justice to those who cross his path.
Fully held. Captain Quark. My buddy. My best friend. Having a bit of fun. Is there any for this one?
Is it John?
Brother.
Help! Please! Please help me! My children! They're in danger!
What seems to be the problem, citizen?
Uh-huh.
Rifle it.
Children, you say?
Up the river when they attack.
Uh-huh.
Quark, stay here.
Danger,
I'll go save
you
the
say?
You got it, sidekick. Smart thinking. I'll just stay here and hold the fort.
Please, over there in that ledge. Save him, please!
Yeah, I'm gonna spend more time collecting all the bolts. And you just saw the lag that happens.
My mom's over there.
The very annoying lag. And here's a map. There's one kid. Let's find another kid and try to keep talking. Gonna not get sick. Oh god. Somebody, anybody, find me. Somebody find me, somebody find me, somebody find me some love. Now. Is that not the message we're giving a child? Oh, there we go. I went the wrong direction. I got a first upgrade. I think actually you had to get this upgrade. So let's accept it. And boom. Change the blaster. Oh god. There's 21 in the game. Don't worry, you'll be able to collect everything real quick, because later on you're going to get something that tells you what you're missing. Super handy. Oh! Ah, I should have waited. And there we go. then my shoot is slightly different. Oh yeah, I had to go that way. Some of them are real. I think every level, which there isn't that many levels. Well, main world hubs, main worlds. There's loads of small little planetoids you can go to, where I think nearly all of them have two things on it, like either like something for your ship, a zoni, gold bolts. I'm really gonna try to get all the gold bolts.
I wanna go home now.
We all want you to go home.
Thanks, Kitty. My mom's this way, Kitty.
Yeah, you're saying kitty.
Halo!
Huh.
I was so worried about you. Rax is still out.
And the
with
last
the
one will be
Cyclones. Please
over
find him.
here. What a weird cycle. Oh, I just got achievement. Not achievement, skill point. What was it for? Something completely else.
You all back? I think my mom's over
Wow. Are you a real dope? What's over here? A gold bolt! Nice. I got my first gold bolt. And I know there's another one. About 40 to get. You later on you get something that tells you where all the gold bolts are, which is kind of handy. And a bit cheaty. Just a tad cheaty.
so much.
Happy to be of service, ma'am.
The Cyclones will be back soon. Come. We have to get into the village.
So, what are these things?
Mutated viruses from the Corthos sector. We haven't seen them on this planet in years. Something must have happened to the Zoni. Alpheus, open the door.
Anessa, what are
The
you
Zoni, you say?
The Zyphoids are back. There must be something wrong with the timekeeper.
Not in front of the outsiders. Quickly, we must head into the village.
Into the village!
For the least of our worries right now, one of the elders spotted Lord Vorsalon's warship over the falls.
Lord Vorsalon? What would he want with us?
Alright, just got another skill point. Wow, maybe it's a lot easier than I remember, and I'm about to level up real quick. Come on, level me up.
They won't stop until they've broken through the wall. We have to protect the villager.
There you go. Level 2.
Weapons upgrade automatically as they are used. This increases their damage and adds no
Damage, ammo, range. Rate of fire.
Something in my eye. Is it awesome in here, or is it just me?
These woods are no longer safe. Come, we can offer you sanctuary within these walls.
Sanctuary. I'm trying to remember what the.
I saw
Oh
you
yeah, it's destroy all the stuff.
on the other side of the ridge. I believe we may be of assistance.
The ship's trashed. There's no way we'll be able to repair it.
But the Zoni can.
Sorry for
Meet
spanking
me
you,
at
but
the
you need to be
Temple of
spanked.
Zan whenever you're ready. I will explain everything.
I'm just smashing stuff. Smashy, smashy. So I'm hoping that gun is just being... I'm doing alright. Thanks, mate. Yeah, the first time I played the game, the first 2 guns you get I used constantly. And on my second run with the Game Plus, I just tried to level up all the games. And it's surprisingly easy to level up all the other ones. So let me drop down and get another gold bolt. Let's see if there's anything else. Yes! I'd rather miss the Zykes, but this one's a fun one.
This genetically mutated xenoghost is the perfect weapon for crowd control of a destructive nature. Firing the weapon at a group of enemies will unleash a deadly and destructive mating call. For added kick, try squeezing the trigger when the xenoghost lungs are full. The Sonic Eruptor, available only at Grommet.
I love that. I love that it's like a Ren and Stimpy kind of design.
How are you?
I'm doing alright, Mac. I'm doing alright. With that, I will call it quits for right now. I'll catch you in the next one.